Yeah, and also guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing it out here because
love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're clicking on my video, I am Sasha. By the title you know what we'll be doing. Today I'm going to be making dalgona. I'm not sure of the pronunciation, but dalgona. You pronounce it how you desire. But yeah, as you know, this is a viral thing on TikTok right now. I used to have a TikTok account, shut that down for a while now. Same thing I tell the car hours apart. When I know something for then on the yard unless you have some emergency or something. I mean, don't say emergency. Well, can't talk to people still. Yeah, as I was saying before I went off track, it's a TikTok trend and I'm seeing yeah, it's a TikTok trend. Everyone is doing it and I'm seeing it on my YouTube timeline, and I said why not, like this is my niche, this is what I love to do. I love to do like pastries, like tasty like beverages, and I said why not try it, like come on. Yeah, if you don't know what this is, it's basically coffee. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, it's basically coffee that's whipped with just two ingredients: instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. Basically, yeah, those three key ingredients, and they're all like dairy free: water, sugar, and coffee. Instant coffee, like come on, so easy. And I would like you to try this at home. Tell me what you think. So I am going to be doing this for persons like myself that aren't always, you know, able to afford the coffee that comes in the glass tin, the glass in the glass jar. So I'm using these packet instant coffees. You know, this brand is Mountain Peak, whatever brand you have. And sure, it's not a 3-in-1, that won't work. I tried it already, from experience it won't work, it won't whip. So it has to be just instant coffee without the sugar, without the creamer. I did it with one, I think it was, yeah, I used one, but it was so small in quantity I had to go and buy more just for the sake of this video. So it is 5 packets. So let's see how much we're going to get for the 5 packets. So yeah, whatever brand you have you can use, whether it's Nescafe, Mountain Peak, what else brand is there. Those are the 2 brands that I know of, but as I say, this is what I'm going to be using. So let's get this show on the road. Yeah, and also guys, I don't know if I'm going to be doing it out here because same thing, the same was. If you watch my previous video, because I'm doing 2 videos today, when I got sweat there was I just me and come back again, you know, come back again. This is why I'm not gonna do no video out here. This is just for the intro. See with me. Okay guys, before I start, I forgot to mention, this is the pack of instant coffee is 1 teaspoon and just a tad bit more, but not to the brim, if that makes sense. And it's 1 part, meaning that if you use 1 teaspoon of the coffee, you're going to want 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of water. So like I'm using 5 packs, which is 5 teaspoons. You want 5 teaspoon sugar, 5 teaspoon water. Get that, mom? That makes sense? Like if you want 5 teaspoon coffee, you want 5 teaspoon sugar, 5 teaspoon water. So any amount of coffee you're using, that's the amount of sugar and water you're going to need. Yeah. No, like Just to give you an example, like if the recipe costs one cup of coffee, you go on 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Just to give you an example. Oh well, let's get started. I already opened them out. Not going to use my electric mixer this time because not everybody has one. I want to see how well I can exercise my hand. And here I start to smell like coffee. So here we have it. I'm going to add my already white sugar. You can use brown sugar as well. And then hot water. Why are you so like somebody that use your lipstick upon them? Are you always wear this lipstick color here? Yeah, them say no sharing of mugs. So gonna whip. Okay. How long is that take me now? No, you can't give her no mango. The coffee is strong. This is a workout. One time on. Yeah, take too long. That's all. Mix everything.
Yeah, waves.
Alright, one then. Cause you like you can't share somebody or something. Yeah. Alright. Yo, it's not easy. But the girl ain't giving up. This is for you guys. I know not everybody is able to afford that and whisk, so you can do it. Use it. You can. This is how it's starting to look. The color is starting to get lighter. So it's starting to become. How long has this been, guys? I'm gonna do it a bit more, couple more minutes off camera and then get back to you. So this is how it started to look. Got that glassy. Coming along. It's coming along, guys. How long has this been? Okay, guys, it's now finished. This is how it looks. Oh, look at that. Creamy goodness. Oh, so pretty. So guys, I have my cool glass of milk. I'm gonna put the dalgona mixture on top and see what that's like. so proud. Like, this is a quarantine drink right here. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Goodness. Ooh. Oh, some kind of. Okay, and I dip my spoon in. And kind of stir it around. Cheers. Can I get no milk? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Try it. It's not bad. It's really good, especially for coffee lovers. Yeah, until next time.